Modimo, 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 ware sheba. Modimo, 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 ware sheba. Ari kuna mari rabel. Modimo, ware sheba. Ari kuna mari rabel. Modimo, ware sheba. This is how to play Modimo ware sheba by Joyous Celebration. Remember, if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So the original of the key of the song, mean to say, the original key of the song is E flat major, okay, which is D sharp, okay. So I will break it down using F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp, okay. So if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. This will help our channel to grow and make me to produce more videos, okay. If you're watching this from TikTok, Facebook, or you go to my YouTube channel and check full video, right? So before any waste of time, let's break it down first using a G sharp, then we'll go to F sharp and C sharp, okay. So in G sharp, it starts right here. This one. Modimo, 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 ware sheba. Modimo, 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 ware sheba. Ari kuna mari rabe. Modimo, ware sheba. Ari kuna mari rabe. Modimo, ware sheba. So the song is very simple, okay? Very, very, very simple. So it starts on this one. This one, ne? Is 2. It starts on 2, ne? 2, then it goes to 1. Like you have to teach yourself to press like three fingers, like Modimo, 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 ware sheba. It's like 2, ne? 2, then 1, then you go to 5, then you go to 1. All right? You see, Modimo, Modimo, ware sheba. Then you go to 1. Then you can do something like di, di, di. If you want to like after and Modimo ware sheba, ware sheba. You get my point. So is, then is, like is key is 1 1. Wherever you stopped, you say 1 4, then 1. Modimo, Modimo. The progression is the same. Mo ware sheba, dun, 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 dun. So you can do it again, like dan 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 hari kunama. You say 1, then 5. I mean to say 4, then 1 hari kunama 5, ne? After 1 you will say 5 hari kunama 5. I mean, sorry man, what's wrong with my mind today? Sorry, it's my mind, guys. 4, ne? 4 hari kunama 4, ne? Rirabela. Then you say 1 Modimo wari utra hari kunama rirabela. Like Modimo wari utra hari kunama rirabela. Modimo wari utra hari kunama rirabela. Very simple, ne? Like Modimo, then you go again, then you go to this one, then Harikunama, Harikunama, Rirapela, Modimo, Wariuka, Hari, then this one, then again, then this one, then Wariuka. Okay, so yeah, this is how it goes in the key of A flat. So before no stop time, let's go to F sharp, ne? So in F sharp it's also simple, ne? It starts on 2. Okay, Modimo, like Modimo, it's F sharp, ne? Modimo, then you go to 1, Modimo 5, then you go to 1, first inversion, ne? Modimo, second inversion, sorry, 2-ish. Then you go to 1, second inversion, then you go to 5. Wari utwa, ari kuna, 4, ne? Ari kuna, rirapela, Modimo, wari utwa, ari kuna, rapela, Modimo, wari utwa, rikunama, rirapela, Modimo, wari utwa. So as you can see, the song is very simple, ne? Modimo, this one, ne? Then you go here, Modimo, wari utwa, wari sheba, yeah, wari utwa, wari sheba, Modimo, wari sheba, ari kuna, mari rapi, like you can like slide. So yeah, this is how it goes in the key of F sharp, ne? So before any waste of time, let's go to what's this key? Let's go to C sharp, which is D flat, ne? Yeah, D flat, C sharp or D flat, ne? So it starts right here. It starts right here. Modimo, wari sheba, Modimo, this one. Then the Modimo, then go to here, you go here, Modimo, wari sheba, hari kuna, mari rapi, Modimo, wari sheba. Like you see, it's very simple, ne? It's like hari kunama. You can do like hari kunama, but I love doing like this. Hari kunama, rirapi, Modimo, wari, hari Don't forget to subscribe, okay? This one. I hope you saw it, ne? So very simple. So if you want to learn this one, like it's also simple. This one, then go here, then go here, then go here. This one is E flat, ne? E flat, which is D sharp, ne? This this one, very simple. Then you go here, you go here, then you go here. Then Hare Kandama, Re Rabel, Modimo, Hare Tandam, like so very simple. Thank you so much for watching out.